Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have a small bedroom and are looking for ways to make the most of your space, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 interior design ideas to help you maximize your small bedroom and make it feel cozy and stylish. Let's get started. 1. Utilize vertical space. Tip number 1 is to utilize vertical space. When floor space is limited, think upwards, shelving, install shelves above your bed or on empty walls for storage and decor. Tall furniture, opt for tall dressers or wardrobes that provide more storage without taking up much floor space. Hanging storage, hooks or pegboards hang items like bags, hats, or jewelry. Using vertical space efficiently helps keep your room organized and clutter-free. 2. Choose multifunctional furniture. Tip number 2 is to choose multifunctional furniture. Pieces that serve multiple purposes can save a lot of space. Storage beds. Opt for beds with built-in storage drawers or lift-up bases. Foldable desks. Use a wall-mounted foldable desk that can be tucked away when not in use. Convertible furniture. Consider a sofa bed or a dabe that can be used for seating during the day and sleeping at night. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer in small bedrooms. 3. Light and neutral colors. Tip number 3 is to use light and neutral colors. These colors can make your room feel larger and more open. Wall colors. Paint your walls in light shades like white, beige, or light gray. Bedding and curtains. Choose light-colored bedding and curtains to keep the space airy. Accent pieces. Add pops of color with small decor items, but keep the main color palette light. Light colors reflect more light, making the room feel bigger. 4. Mirrors to enhance space. Tip number 4 is to use mirrors to enhance space. Mirrors can create the illusion of a larger room. Full-length mirrors. Place a full-length mirror on a wall or door to reflect light and open up the space. Mirrored furniture. Use furniture with mirrored surfaces, like a dresser or nightstand. Decorative mirrors. Hang decorative mirrors as wall art to add both style and function. Mirrors are a simple yet effective way to make your small bedroom feel more spacious. 5. Keep it minimal. Tip number 5 is to keep it minimal. Clutter can make a small room feel even smaller, so focus on minimalism. Declutter. Regularly declutter and keep only essential items in your bedroom. Simple decor. Choose simple, functional decor pieces that don't overwhelm the space. Hidden storage. Use storage solutions that can hide away clutter, like under bed bins or baskets. A minimalist approach keeps your small bedroom feeling open and serene. And there you have it, 5 interior design ideas to help you maximize your small bedroom. By utilizing vertical space, choosing multifunctional furniture, using light colors, incorporating mirrors, and keeping it minimal, you can create a stylish and functional space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, ring the notification bell to stay updated.